Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up parental controls on YouTube Kids to create a safe viewing environment for your children, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download and install the YouTube Kids app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device if you haven't already. Step 2. Open the YouTube Kids app and tap Get Started to begin the setup process. The app will guide you through creating a child-safe profile. Step 3. Enter your birth year when prompted. This verification ensures that an adult is setting up the parental controls. Step 4. Sign in with your Google account credentials. This links your parent account to the YouTube Kids profiles you create. Step 5. Create a profile for your child by entering their name and age. YouTube Kids will customize content recommendations based on the age you specify. Step 6. Choose the content level appropriate for your child's age. Preschool, ages 4 and under, younger, ages 5 to 8, or older, ages 9-12. Each level filters content accordingly. Step 7. Enable search restrictions by deciding whether to allow your child to search for content or limit them to only pre-approved videos and channels. Step 8. Set up additional controls by tapping the lock icon, entering your password, and accessing settings where you can manage screen time limits, block specific videos, and review watch history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.